This is a business intelligent app. It could be used by Housing New Zealand. Um, it got 4 panels. What flashing here tells you the app is loading data from the real-time database when app get launched. Well, the app not only can load the data into the table here, um, and also visualize the data on the plots and put icons on the map, but also allow user to change the data kept in the real-time database. Once the data in the real-time database changed, the visual represented by the dots, regression line, or whatever the data analytics metrics will be changed accordingly in real time. What the app can really do is to automatically infer the relationship between house applicant's age and the housing applicant's days spent in tenancy. If and when in real time, app user change the records of applicants' data, which are kept in real-time database synced to this app. So at this moment, as you can see, we have 6 records in real-time database. As you can see, the data are displayed in this table and correspondingly on the map and the dots in the plot. Okay, and in the plot, you can see the linear regression model represented by this line and this equation, regression equation, that currently fit the 6 data points. Okay, app user can add, edit, delete, and see the records in the real-time database. Let's give it a try to add the 7th record. Let's focus on the form here. Actually, this is a form with validation. So let's just put the case ID as 7, the 7th record. Age would be, let's give it 80 days in tenancy days. How many days? So let's give it 20 days. Smoke alarm 5, print 8, yes. Give it a name, new city in Christchurch in New Zealand. The latitude would be minus 47, longitude 172, and income by week. Let's give it 3 weeks income as those random numbers, and once we hit the submit button, the records should be shown in the not only in the table as I say, the table is linked to the real-time database, but also the visual represented by the dots. You can see the dots here in the plots. It shows case ID 7, age 20, age 80, and days in tenancy 20. So that is our new record. And of course, on the map, so you can see that is new, right? So actually, you can see if you're looking at the regression line, the slope is tilted a little bit, and the regression equation has been changed. Okay. Of course, we can edit the data. Let's just edit any record. So let's just edit the newly added. Once we click the edit button, as you can see, the newly just a moment ago we just added the new records. So the records, the fields are automatically being populated. Let's say there is a fourth week and a new earned like $900. And if we click submit button, and you can see the income history should change. And we click submit button, and we can see the sparkline represented by as the income history represented by sparkline changed. And if we click, let's just click edit button again. What I'm going to show you is the validation here. So let's say we made a mistake. Let's say it's 800 years old instead of 80. And we try to submit again. So you can see the validation in the form prevent us just put the wrong records in our real-time database. So nothing actually is being changed in the real-time database, and nothing changed in the visuals, right? So of course we can just reset the form and do the next. So next, I think I will going to show you. Of course, you can see if you click the C button, you can see the records in a pop-up in details, right? And I think the next I want to show you is actually because, as I said, this is a real-time database. Actually, the data is already in the database. So let's launch the app from another browser, which is Firefox. Basically, it simulates some other users to launch the app somewhere else using other device. So you can see if you're looking at the table, so you can see this is Firefox now. Previously, I was using Microsoft Edge. Now in the Firefox, you can see the previously the newly added records is still there. So and everything's there. So we of course we can delete this record and make everything just reverse everything to the original state. And if we click the delete button, are you sure to delete? If we click OK, so if we click OK, what will be changed is, the dots will be removed, the icon will be removed, and the slope of the regression line will be tilted a little bit, and the regression equation should be reversed to previously one. And if we click OK, so you can see everything is changed back. And the last thing I want to show you is because this app is responsive, the interface is responsive. If we halve the size of the window, so the browser, so you can see it's responsive. It's nothing being distorted, right? Nothing being distorted. And I think we can even shrink a little bit more. Everything is in the good shape. Okay, that's all I'm going to show you. Thank you very much. Cheers. Bye bye.